にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today's video is the karate number 42. And today I'm going to talk about something related with kamidana again. I tell you again because the last week, the karate video number 41, that was about kamidana and dojo. What is the relationship with kamidana and dojo? Why there is kamidana in dojo? And also, I already talked about kamidana in karate video number 35. Maybe you can watch these videos too. But today, I'm going to talk about again kamidana, but something I didn't tell you yet. Well, kamidana, and today I'm going to talk about shingu. Shingu. Well, this shin, it means the same, kami-sama, the god, gods. And the second kanji, gu, this is material. So, shingu is really the things that you can put to decorate kamidana. Shingu, it means article ritual for the Shintoism. So this is shingu. Well, not only Shintoism, also in the Buddhism too. In Butsudan, also we can put some shingu. So shingu is ritual materials for the religious meaning. This is shingu. First of all, miyagata. Miyagata. Maybe you can't see with my cat. Miyagata. Have you ever heard of this word, miyagata? Well, if you know the kanji, the second one, kata, that is the same as the kata in karate. This one. This kata, this is the kanji of the kata. The kata, like Heian Shodan, Tekki Shodan, this is kata. The form. And miya, this kanji miya, it means Shinto shrine. Miya. So if we say with O for the respect, omiya mairi, it means we are going to the Shinto shrine to pray. So miyagata, kata is the form. So miyagata, it means the form of Shinto shrine. So you know when you say kamidana, this is just a Shinto shrine, right? So kamidana and miyagata is just like the synonym, but there's a slight difference. Kamidana, actually, this kami is the gods, and tana, this is the shelf. Shelf. So kamidana is that shelf where you can put this miyagata. So this is the difference. But anyway, we say kamidana, and we mean, when we say kamidana, we mean miyagata. But this is the difference. You see this picture? This is miyagata. Well, maybe you think, oh, this is kamidana. Well, right. Miyagata and kamigata you can use just like a synonym. But actually, kamidana, it means the god shelf or the spirit shelf. So this kamidana literally means that shelf where you must colocate this miyagata. So miyagata is this form of Shinto shrine. And inside of this, you must colocate ofuda. Ofuda is a piece of paper that you can buy in Shinto shrine or even in temples, and that is a kind of the type of charm. And the next shingu that I'm talking about is goshinkyo. Goshinkyo. This is sacred mirror. Well, this go, it is for respect. Shinkyo, well, shin, this is the god, kami-sama, kami. Kyo, this kanji, it is the mirror. We can also pronounce kagami. We say kagami, mirror. And also we can pronounce this kanji, goshinkyo. Also we can say mikagami, mikagami. This is sacred mirror. And this mirror has lots of relationship with Amaterasu Omikami. Amaterasu Omikami. This is the goddess. This god, she was the symbol of the god, the symbol of the sun. The sun. And you know, there are lots of gods in Shintoism, 8 million of gods. But Amaterasu Omikami is the best, is the top of the top, the cream of the cream. So she's the most important god among all the gods in Shintoism, Amaterasu Omikami. So there are lots of relationship with Amaterasu Omikami and Goshinkyo in Japanese mythology. In this design, just in the center, you can see this Goshinkyo, this circular and divine mirror. And here you can see also the water, the rice, and also the salt. You can offer this kind of food. And even we can see sake here. And also we see some plants. And I'm going to tell you about these plants after. You can see other kamidana, and in the center you can see ofuda, this sacred paper, like a charm. But here you cannot see the mirror, this divine mirror, but instead there is magatama. Magatama is a stone. Can you see this stone just in the center, in the front? This is magatama. Well, in the Japanese mythology, the mirror and magatama, these stones, are considered very, very sacred because they were hung from a tree to lure out Amaterasu Omikami, this goddess, the symbol of the sun, from a cave, because she got very angry and she hid herself in a cave. So the world was so dark, and they had to this goddess to come out of this cave. In that occasion, this sacred mirror and magatama were used. Well, in this picture, you can see a small circular mirror. Can you? So this is the divine mirror. And this mirror has got two meanings. One of them is just like the symbol of the sun. As I told you before, when Amaterasu Omikami, this goddess, hid herself in the cave, then this mirror was used, and this mirror reflected Amaterasu Omikami herself. But she didn't know it, and she said, "Oh, who is this beautiful woman there?" Well, that was herself. So the mirror, well, this mirror symbolized the sun. And the other meaning, that is, the mirror reflects everything, reflects yourself. When you see yourself in the mirror, it reflects yourself. So it means this mirror is you. It means that your soul, your feeling, and everything you think, you feel when you pray here, that reflects here in the mirror. So this mirror is yourself. So this is two meanings. One is the symbol of the sun, and the other is your feeling, your heart. The next, shimenawa. Shimenawa, this is sacred rope. Sacred rope. And many occasions, this shimenawa is together with shide. Shide. Well, shide, the first kanji, this is kami. Kami, it means paper with this kanji. Kami. And maybe you think, oh, this is the same as the God. No. The God with this kanji, when we say the God, this is kami. Tantang. Kami. Intonation is different. Kami. And paper, kami. The accent in the last word. Kami. Kami is paper with this kanji. Because this other word, we say kami, and this means hair. Hair is also kami. The same intonation like paper, but different kanji. So we can know which one. It depends on kanji. Okay, and this one is also pronounced ta from tareru. Taremasu. Tareru. This is the verb to means to hang. Hang. So shide, it means the paper that hang. And shimenawa and shide are many times they are put together and they are sacred. In this picture, you can see shimenawa and shide. Shimenawa literally means enclosing rope, and they are lengths of red rice straw or hemp rope used for ritual purification in the Shinto religion. Shimenawa vary in diameter from a few centimeters to several meters. For example, it can also used in the trees. And they are often seen festooned with shide, like here in this picture. Shide is a traditional paper streamers. A space bound by shimenawa typically indicates a sacred or ritually pure space, such as that of a Shinto shrine. Shimenawa are believed to act as a ward against evil spirits and are often set up at a groundbreaking ceremony before construction begins on a new building. They are often found at Shinto shrines or torii gates and sacred landmarks, and also in Kamidana too. In this picture, you can see shide. Shide is a zigzag-shaped paper streamer, often seen attached to shimenawa, just like here, and used in Shinto rituals for purification. The next word, sakakidate. Sakakidate. Sakaki, it means a sacred tree. Because you look, can you see this kanji? Well, here, this is tree. Tree, we pronounce ki, this part. We say kihen, the part of the kanji of this. The left part is hen, kihen. And here, it means the God, kami-sama. But you see it a little bit different from this kanji, kami, but very similar. So that the meaning is the same here. So the God and the tree. So sacred tree. Sacred tree. And what is sakaki date? Sakaki date, this is the vase, just like a flower vase. So the vase that you can put on this sakaki. In this picture, you can see sakaki, this plant, sakaki. And this name, in the scientific name, is Cleyera japonica. And sakaki is a flowering evergreen tree native to warm areas of Japan, Taiwan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, and so on. And sakaki is considered as a sacred tree in the Shinto religion, along with other evergreens such as hinoki. Hinoki is Japanese cypress. And Shinto shrines are traditionally encircled with shinboku, goshinboku, sacred trees. And in Shinto shrine, in Shinto ritual, offerings to the gods' spirits, kami-sama, branches of sakaki, because these sakaki are decorated with, and also sakaki are decorated with paper streamers called shide, that I explained it already, because this is very sacred tree. Today I talked about some shingu, some things, some kind of things that you can put on kamidana. Well, I made this video because I was asked to explain these things a few months ago. So if you have any questions, and if I think I can answer these questions, I may make a video about your question. And if you have any suggestions, or just if you like this video, you can write me in the commentary. I love reading your commentaries. And about shingu. Well, maybe you can put all of these things, or not, only some of the things. I think it doesn't matter. It depends on how much money you can afford to put these shingu. And also, if you put this kamidana in your country, this is the foreign countries, and just you want to decorate your dojo like Japanese style. So maybe you put this kind of kamidana, but you're not Shintoist. So I think it's not necessary if you don't have ofuda. Really, in Japan, ofuda is the most important part. But if you just want to use this kamidana for decoration, maybe you don't have to worry so much about these kind of shingu. Or just you want to put some of these things because you think it might be more beautiful or more appropriate. So it's free, your choice. If you liked this video, please give me a like, and if you share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. And I love reading your commentaries, so if you liked this video, you can tell me your opinions. Okay? 今日もここまで見てくださってどうもありがとうございます。ではチャンネル登録といいねボタン、そしてお友達と私のビデオをシェアしていただけたらとても助かります。お願いいたします。じゃあまた会いましょうね。またね。バイバイ。